Hi everyone, welcome to Home with Kelly P. I am so excited you're here today because in today's video I'm going to be showing you my fall home tour, and I'm really excited to show you how everything turned out. If you have not watched any of my other previous videos on how I decorated each room, what I used, where I got things from, I'm going to be sure to leave a link to the playlist in my description box below, and you can go down there and check it out. Check out each video, and that will give you more detail of where I found things, where I purchased things, and how I use them in the home. So for today's video, I am going to simply just take you around my home, show you what I use, show you what each room looks like. I love it. I have gone a little bit different for me this year, and I know it's not everybody's style, but that's what makes us so unique, is that I just love watching how other people decorate their homes, and I get inspiration from that and try to incorporate it into my home. So that's my goal for you, is that you watch my videos. You don't have to like everything I do, but maybe there's something that you like and you can incorporate into your own decor. So for this video, all I'm going to do is take you around the house. I'm going to put some music to the video and keep the talking to a minimum, so you can just grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a glass of wine, and watch it at your leisure. And I hope that you enjoy going around my home and seeing how I decorated for fall. Now, the majority of my items I have had in the past for my fall decor, but I live in Canada, so I do not have a Target, I do not have a Hobby Lobby, I don't have a Joann's, so I don't get to benefit from all that beautiful stuff I see other people buying on YouTube and Instagram. So most of my stuff comes from Walmart, from Michael's, the dollar store, and HomeSense. So that's basically where I shop for my home decor. And I think the favorite thing I purchased this year was from Michael's, and it is the garland that you are going to see on my fireplace mantle and on my dining room table. It was the jumping off point for me this year in my home. If you have any questions, any comments, I would love to hear from you. Leave them in the comment section down below. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelly. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope that you will think about subscribing. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the little gray bell, and that will notify you when I upload a new video, which is usually once a week. I try to do it on Mondays, but sometimes with working full-time it just doesn't work out that way. But just ring that bell and it'll notify you when I do upload a new video. Let's get on with the home tour.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, though it's hard to realize.